Good morning, classmate. This is your part 1, totally new and the fresh chapter, exercise 81, trigonometrical ratio of standard angle. Before we start this exercise, first of all we learn some the degrees values of trigonometric thetas. Okay, so you see this is already given in your book, that is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so what are the value of this sine thetas? Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. For cos for cos also, for tan, for cot, for sec, for cosec. So sine value is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Clear? Sine 0 value is 0, sine 30 value is 1 upon 2, sine 45 value is 1 by root 2, sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 and sine 60 value is 1. Okay, so you reverse this process and you get the value of the cos. So see, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So this is the value of the cos. Okay, we know that there is a reciprocal relation between sine and cosec. So 0 by 0, 0 here is nothing, 1 when it's reciprocate. So 1 by 0, that is not defined. Reverse, that is 2 by 1, 2. Reverse, root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Reverse, that is 2 by root 3 and reverse 1 by 1. Okay, we know that reciprocal relation between cos and sec, 1 reverse is 1, root 3 reverse by 2, that is 2 by root 3, reverse, that is root 2, 1 by 2, that is 2 and 0 divided by 1, that is 1 divided by 0, it's not defined. Okay, now time for this process. What? Because we know that tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta formula we know that very well. Sin theta by cos theta, that means divide the value of sin and cos, we get the value of tan. So 0 by 1, that is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, so answer is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 divided by, that is 1, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, so 2 to cancel, root 3 and 1 divided by 0, that is not defined. Okay, and we know that the reciprocal relation between tan and cot, so 0 by 1, that is not defined. You just reverse it, 1 by root 3 and here is 0. Okay, so this is all the 6 theta's value up from 0 to 90 degree. Check it out. There is a reciprocal relation, tan value divided from sine by cos theta, and cot again we just reverse that. Just you learn one sine value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. You reverse that all this, you get the value of cos, reciprocate it, you get sec and cos, divide this, you get tan, and reciprocate again, you get cot. So from one figure value you get all the values of the all thetas. Okay, note it down. So exercise 1 question, that is 7 sine 30 cos 67. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2 and cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Okay, you check it out, that sine 30 value is 1 by 2 and cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So the answer is 7 by 4. Complete. Just you only put down the value. Okay, try one more, that is 2 subpart 1, sine square 45 plus cos square 45 by tan square 60. So sine square 45 means sine 45 value is 1 by root 2 and square is given. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 and square is given. Tan 60 value is root 3 and square is given. Okay, when you open this square we get 1 by 2 because 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2. Again 1 by 2 and divided by root 3 square is 3. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is half, half plus half, that is 1 by 3. So the answer is 1 upon 3. Okay. Now question number 3.1. In question number 3.1, see, sine 60 by cos square 45 minus 3 tan 30 plus 5 cos 90. Okay, so sine 60, that is root 3 by 2, cos square 45, that is 1 by root 2 whole square, minus 3 tan 30 is 1 by root 3, plus 5 cos 90 is 1. So root 3 by 2 divided 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2, minus 3 by root 3. We know that in one 3, that means in whole 3 there is 2 root, because we know that 2 root multiply, that we get the whole root. Okay, whole number 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3, that is 3. So there is 2 root 3, 1 cancel, only root 3 we get, and 5 1 ja 5. So root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1 minus root 3 plus 5, these 2 cancel, so root 3 minus root 3 plus 5, this one cancel, answer is only 5. Okay, note. Now question number is 4.1. You see in 4.1, cos square 30 plus sine 30 plus tan square 45 equals to 2 1 by 4. That means prove that, here is the proof that this LHS equals to RHS. So first of all, solve the LHS portion. Cos square 30, that is root 3 value, root 3 by 2 square, sine 30 is 1 by 2, tan square 45 is 1 square. So root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4, 1 by 2 plus 1. So 4, 3, 2 plus 4, that is 3 5, 3 to 5, 9 by 4. So 9 2s are 8, 1. You see our LHS equals, therefore LHS equals to RHS. Done. Question number 5 given is 5.1. If tan x equals to, if x equals to 30, verify to that tan 2x equals to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, if x equals to 30, then verify that this value is equals to this one. That means again prove LHS equals to RHS. So LHS is tan 2x. So tan 2, in place of x we write on 30. So that is tan 60, and tan 60 value is root 3. Okay. Now time for RHS. What is written is RHS? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, 2 tan x, that is tan 30, because x value is 30, tan x, 1 minus tan square, in place of x we write on 30, 2 tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3, 1 minus tan square 30, again 1 upon root 3 whole square. So that is 2 1 ja 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 square, and root 3 square is 3. Okay, so 2 by root 3, LCM taking 3, 3 minus 1. So we get 2 by root 3 and 2 by 3. So 2 cancel. What we get? Wait, 2 by root 3 divided, not cancelling this 2, 2 and 2 is okay. 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. Okay, so these two cancel, and here is root 3 cancel 3, so we get here root 3. So the answer is root 3. So you see LHS is root 3 and RHS is also root 3. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, proved. Note. Question number 6.1. Find the value of 1 minus cos square 30 and 1 minus sin square 30. So 1 minus cos square 30. Cos square 30 value is root 3 by 2 whole square divided 1 minus sin square 30. Sin square 30 is 1 by 2 square. So 1 minus 3 by 4 and 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1. So this 4 cancel, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 1 upon root 3. Okay. Answer is 1 upon root 3. So 1, note that the square root of 1 is 1. So root 3. Question number 7.1. If theta equals to 30, then verify that. What verify? That number 1, sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta and cos theta. Okay, so if theta value is 30 degree, then prove that the LHS equals to RHS. So LHS equals to sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta space is 30 degrees, so sin 60 degree, and sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Okay, now time for RHS. 2 sin theta and cos theta. So 2 sin theta, that means sin 30 degree because theta value is 30 given, and cos theta, that is cos 30. So 2 sin theta is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 2 cancel, you see root 3 by 2. So LHS equals to RHS, proved. Okay. Question number 10A. 10.1. Same pattern question. If A equals to 60 degree, in this exercise, in this chapter, the most important thing that you learn the trigonometric table, all the values of the all 6 thetas. Okay, if A equals to 60 degree and B equals to 30 degree, verify that number 1 question, sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So LHS is sin A plus B, that is sin, in place of A is 60 and B is 30, so sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Now turn for RHS. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A is 60, cos B, that means 30, B is 30, cos A, that is 60, and sin B is 30. So sin 60 cos 30, cos 60 sin 30. Okay, so sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So root 3 3 by 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. So 4 taking LCM, that is 3 plus 1, 4 by 4 equals to 1. So you see that LHS is also 1 and RHS is also 1. So LHS equals to RHS, proved.